I want to go get
Tell me what you
a
wanna do. I know you see I'm feeling you. If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, think you handle that? You ain't ready for this work now. Watch me throw it back.
Hey guys, so today you're gonna be watching me clean my side of the room. It's pretty messy. I'm about to show y'all right now.
Abunda la caca.
So show you guys me cleaning up my room.
Abunda la caca.
Alright, so first we're gonna not the lotion. Trash I have to take out. And then my closet, tidying it up, taking stuff out that wait a minute. Now we're gonna start on the desk, and as you can see, it's pretty messy, and it's always messy, and I'm not the one that messes it up, but we're not gonna say no names because we're not ready for that conversation. Actually, just a bunch of stuff that I got from the pantry from SNC. They have this thing where you can go and get food and stuff that you need, which is really nice considering, you know, a lot of us don't have money to do that yet. Alright guys, so the desk is finished and this is what it looks like. Oh, wait a minute. Don't mind those books right there. So boom, finishing touch of the desk. So in here and finds my phone finds me using her bed as a recording thingy. She gonna kill me. But we're gonna start on my bed now. That I got some weird stuff on my pillowcases because I don't. I just be like getting that good sleep. I just be getting that good sleep. So how to wash it, but I've been slobbing all over this one too. I'm gonna figure out how to wash it though. So don't worry about it. I'll figure it out. It's really soft though.
I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold, but my third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body and mind. It's playing tricks. I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside. Cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing that I was next to you. Oh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking that this is not a need or a must, but love has treated me so wrong. This year all I've got to show are songs, and I want to be super duper true to you, but God, I don't know what to do, cause last year I was just 22. Feels like it up and flew so far away and out of you, but 23 seems like me and you, cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh,
Oh, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this.
I've been thinking this is not a need or I've been dreaming of. I know sometimes I make you feel insane. Sorry, this is how I play this stupid game. I can't act like a child and disobey all that you want from me and that you say. I'm sorry, baby. Please, puppy. I'm trying to be ultra mega happy and show you my smile and send you my feelings. And fuck, it is so hard being so damn far. I guess I'll just stay here and stay singing in my car.
Cool. Can you tell me that I'm cool? I've always wanted to be cool.
This is what the bed looks like now. Yeah, all nice and cleaned up. Now we're gonna start over here and organize this stuff.
I've always wanted to be cool. Yeah, yeah. But I'm not that cool. That cool. That cool. I'm feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. Life's not bad right now. I can't complain. So I think I might go to this party that this girl invited me to. Oh, oh, oh. And so I get dressed. I look at myself in the mirror and I say, oh no, is that what I really look like? I don't wanna be me, but that's only half of the time. 'Cause inside I know I'm cool.
Finish that. Now we're gonna move on to this area right here. Dang it. Alright, y'all, so that part is done. As you can see, I cleaned it up and the table's done. And now we have to hang up these clothes.
You're so close, and yet so far. I wonder how you look when you're in the dark. You're just one click.
Alright, all the clothes are hung up. The desk is clean, bed is made, and this is clean. Yeah, so now the clothes. Dun dun dun. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning up my dorm room. My eye itches now, it's because I'm tired. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below any other videos you want to see me do. Share, subscribe if I haven't. Oh, I didn't show y'all taking out the trash. Okay, hold up. Okay. Y'all, so I'm done cleaning my side of the room. So Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that's it.